suck.
You have a ton of pro packs.
I know, I bought them this morning so I could do a video. I'm not gonna need the red players or the best ones to get.
I know.
I got 3 left.
Wait, they're serving now?
I don't know. Damn it. I only got 2.
Nyam it.
Look, I wasted 65,000 points on this and I'm not making my money back. Yes!
I got dropped off.
Look at that, look at that.
Oh, you got a red player, 91.
Damn, about time. It probably make my money back. Look, like this is my last one.
What should be like
It's all gonna be suck.
It's all gonna suck.
Both of it suck.
Only one word.
Yeah.
So only got 1 player. Only got this one.
Did you open all of them?
Yeah. Look how many players are out. I need to see how much this person's worth.
Listed a lot on like. He's probably worth like 5,000.
No, it's probably worth more.
You wasted more than you needed.
Chicken patties. Put on milk. Put up. Okay. I'm back. 91. Damn. It goes for not a lot. It doesn't go for as much. He might make my money back. But I don't know. So, damn.
Are you blind out now?
I know 2 people that look just like him. Are you Albert? Okay. I know someone that looks just like him. But say he has like his ears pierced. Oh wait, he doesn't. Oh, okay, so there's only one Albert I know.